Welcome to your almost brand new home. While this home is not new construction, it was built in 2021 and it has been very lightly lived in part of the year and meticulously maintained. So as you walk through, you're going to notice a lot of really nice things. This home is move-in ready. One of the big pluses is everything you see here can stay with the home. All the furnishings, with the exception of the office, can stay with the home. So as we walk through, take note of that. Look at this beautiful fireplace, electric fireplace there. Absolutely gorgeous. Everything's laid out very nicely. You've got the ceramic tile floors, really nice classic gray tones throughout this house. On this right side, we're going to enter right into the primary suite. So this is where you're going to spend your relaxation at night and just enjoy unwinding and getting a really good night's rest. We have 2 walk-in closets on this primary suite, so plenty of room for organizing and storing all of your wardrobe items. The bathroom is everything you need with a separate water closet to the left, 2 sinks, nice long vanity, lots of countertop space, and look at this walk-in shower. Gorgeous. Again, beautiful tile, nice decorative mosaic accent tiles there, and everything here is virtually new. The furniture is only 4 years old, so again, lightly used, and you can just simply bring your bags and move right in. Check out this great porch, and we're going to talk a bit about the community as well, because this is a very quiet community. There's only 1 entrance and 1 exit, so you're not getting people driving in and driving through and just in and out of the community and all over the roads. The people that come into this community live here, so it's very nice and peaceful. A lot of people walk the streets. They're quiet. We are only a block away from the community center, where you've got a pool. You have a library. The clubhouse has a library. It's got a pool table. It's got table tennis. There's pickleball courts, tennis courts, all kinds of great things to keep you active. Look at this kitchen. Great countertop space, beautiful granite counters, wood cabinets, newer appliances as well, and then a nice pantry here. This is a good sized pantry. And you're also noticing that you have both your formal dining room and your eat-in area here for your kitchen. It makes a really nice setup with this coffee bar that we have. So lots of storage space for all of your cooking items, and lots of good lighting in this house as well. And that's another thing with it being brand new, is that you've got the newer light fixtures. You're not having to change out the fans or add fans in the bedrooms. So here's the first of the guest bedrooms. Split bedroom plan. Nice built-in closet there and plenty of space. So we've got a hobby desk set up, a work desk in here. Certainly you could have a bed and some dressers. There's plenty of space for that. You've got nice dual pane windows, so good efficiency in this house. The other thing is it's got some really nice smart home upgrades. The garage door opener, the Ring doorbell, sprinklers, all are smart enabled, so you can control those items with your smartphone when you're here or when you're away. So that's very convenient. There's also 4 blink cameras on the exterior of the home, so that's excellent for security. Guest bathroom, we've got the tub shower combo. Again, lovely tile up and down the walls around the tub, nice granite countertops, wood cabinets, and a linen closet here right outside of the bathroom, and that's extra deep. You can actually walk into that closet. You could play hide and go seek in that closet if you wanted to. Here to my right is the laundry room, interior laundry, and you've already got hookups here if you wanted to add a laundry tub. I know a lot of people like to have the sink in their laundry room, or you could have a little mini fridge like we see here and just extra space to store things. We've got a utility closet for all of your laundry and utility items, and then look at this nice coat and hat rack there, and that will stay with the home just like just about everything else you see. Nice 2-car garage, plenty of space because we've got this extra bump out here with the doorway, so you can get 2 cars in here comfortably. Newer water heater, no worries there. Some hanging hooks for bicycles and miscellaneous items, and you do have pull down for your attic access, and the air handler is up in the attic as well, so it's out of the way, which gives you extra space in your laundry in your garage. And like I mentioned before, that garage door opener can be controlled with your smartphone, so if you ever need to open that garage when you're on vacation or traveling, you can easily do so. So this is a really awesome house. You don't find very often where you can have everything already set up and staged for you. So if you're looking for a vacation home, a winter residence, this is perfect. Everything's ready to go. This house comes with mandatory social membership, which means that you have access to all of the resort amenities within Terra Vista and Citrus Hills. So this is part of Citrus Hills, and those amenities, the list goes on and on and on, but you've got a dog park, you've got multiple swimming pools, you've got state-of-the-art fitness centers, you've got tennis courts, pickleball courts, you've got golf simulator, you've got putting ranges, you have golf courses, you have a restaurant, a really nice 5-star restaurant, you've got entertainment shows, all sorts of things that come with this house because it's got that membership package. So this is absolutely a great option if you're looking to move to Florida, or you're just looking to make a change if you already live here. So if you're interested in more information, would like a private tour, please reach out. I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group of eXp Realty, and RES Luxury Group brings you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426. Talk to you soon.